Welcome to Using Have Basics. I am Stephen Edu, and in this video, we will talk about the basics of using have, has. Have and has can both be used to show possession. They are important in making the perfect tenses. Had is the past tense of both has and have. Have is used with pronouns and plural nouns. Look at and understand the examples. Has is used with the third person singular. Has is a present tense word. Look at and understand the examples. Study the contractions of have and has. Had is used in positive sentences, only in the past tense. It's also used in past perfect tense, as a helping verb. Look at and understand the examples. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video tutorial on the basics of have and has.